Over 100 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. This was known as the Cretaceous period in time. The climate was warm and humid. Thick, luscious forests covered the Earth, with deep oceans separating the lands. Dinosaurs were at their prime during this time period. You had the nice friendly dinosaurs, like the Dreadnoughtus and Parasaurolophus. These calm dinosaurs were herbivores, so they only ate plants. And then there were the dangerous ones, like a Dilophosaur, or a Troodon, and of course the Tyrannosaurus rex. These aggressive meat-eaters were ready for a fight anytime. Imagine if you lived in the Cretaceous time period, a period where dinosaurs ruled the Earth. How would you survive? Your task is to write a survival guide on how to live with dinosaurs. To help you out, here are some ideas to think about. First of all, you'll need to find a safe place to live. Would you live by the sea? Or is it better to live deep in the jungle? Next, you'll need to think about food. What type of food do you think you would eat in the Cretaceous time period? Would you go fishing to get some fish to eat, or go foraging in the jungle for berries and fruit? Perhaps you'll hunt down some weak dinosaurs, and cook the raw meat over a fire. Another thing to think about is surviving. How would you protect your home from the dangerous dinosaurs? And how would you protect yourself in a battle? What kind of weapons would you create in this time period? And what resources or materials will you need? Have you thought about keeping dinosaurs as pets, or taming dinosaurs? You could ride them around the jungle, or use them as protection. What would you do if you came face to face with a Tyrannosaurus rex? Is it best to run, stay still, or hide? Finally, how would you explore this world without getting lost? Remember, there was no technology in this time period. So how would you create a compass or a map from the natural materials around you? Based on the information provided in this video, your task is to create your own dinosaur survival guide. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more cool videos. See you soon.